In a serene mountain stream, discovery begins. A curious explorer reveals vibrant red and blue gemstones hidden in nature's embrace. A focused beam of light examines a radiant red gemstone. Precise evaluation reveals nature's secret brilliance, with careful attention indeed. Delicately reaching, skilled hands probe the rocky surface. A red gemstone whispers promises of ancient secrets, capturing pure nature's magic. Fingers trace textures over aged stones softly. Closed details reveal nature's crafted artistry in red, manifesting remarkable history subtly unveiled. A beam of light interacts with rugged stone surfaces. Scientific inspection unveils hidden layers within the rock with keen precision. In the murky water, clarity emerges from the red stone. Detailed scrutiny illuminates its subtle luminous charm with natural wonder. A sturdy metal tool meets nature's challenge. Hands extract hidden gems amidst the flowing, rugged stream with calm, clear focus. Detailed close-up shows intricate evaluation of mineral-rich stones. Each technique uncovers layers of natural potential with truly relentless patient analysis. Stream water cleanses and reveals gemstone details naturally. Washing uncovers brilliance from within the rugged rock, illuminating hidden natural wonders. Focused tools and light assess every cherished stone. An intense evaluation deepens the quest for value, revealing captivating natural secrets. A rock unveils embedded treasures in a lively stream. Vibrant red and blue elements merge with nature's artistry, evoking wonder. Extreme close-up displays intricate red and blue crystals. The hand examines these delicate formations with great care and subtle awe. Precision extraction techniques reveal clusters of shimmering red gems. A tool delicately lifts treasures from the rugged rock with care. A tool preys apart rocky layers to expose hidden gemstone clusters. Tactile effort transforms stone into elemental wonder for discovery. Hands peel away wet rock layers to extract
Wah.